Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al, and happy SheetLoad of Cards Day. I hope you'll stick around to learn all about the June 2026 free printable. Welcome, or perhaps welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. Each month, I stop by with a brand new SheetLoad of cards, which if you're new here, that is a 2-page printable where I give you a new sketch, supply list, and cutting guides to make the most of your products and yield a SheetLoad of cards. This is usually anywhere between 6 and 12, depending on the card and the paper size. These printables are free to all of my subscribers for 2 years, and they are available on an ongoing basis to my channel members. In today's video, I will be sharing a look at the new printable, showing you the first set that I created, and then telling you how you can download the free printable. Tomorrow, I will be back with the process video where I will be sharing lots of tips and tricks on how you can cut and assemble your cards. Tomorrow, my creative team will be joining me in sharing their sets for the month. If you don't already follow everyone, you can click on the channel link list in the description box below and go click on that subscribe button. I know that each of them would appreciate it. Now let's take a look at the free printable for June 2026. Before we take a look at that new printable, I did want to stop by with a special channel member shout out. I would like to say welcome to my newest paper trimmer level member, Steph Gibson. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you as well to all of my channel members. You helped to keep me creating here on YouTube and the last 2 years of SheetLoad of Cards free for all subscribers. If you're ever interested in finding out more about the perks of channel membership, you can click on the join button below this video or the link in the description box below. The June 2026 SheetLoad of Cards is going to show you how to make 12 A2 cards with just 2 pieces of pattern paper and some cardstock. This month's sketch features an arched rectangle and some tearing of your pattern paper. Now, if you're not yet sure if you want to make 12 following the instructions, you can always make 1 or 2, maybe use up some scraps and use the single piece dimensions given on page 1. Also, if you don't want to tear in the special instructions section, I do have some ideas for you, and I will also share those in tomorrow's process video. I always like to say that SheetLoad is a great jumping off point for you to make the card your own. I do share some alternative ideas down here for you, but I know that tomorrow when my creative team shares their sets, we're going to see so many more options. Page 2 of the printable gives you cutting guides for your pattern paper and your cardstocks. And a bonus this month for channel members is an SVG cut file that will help you with the arched rectangles. I will tell you in tomorrow's video how to download that. Now let's take a look at my main supplies. In front of me are the main supplies that you will see me use in tomorrow's process video. For my pattern papers and my stamp set, I got out some goodies from Stampin Up, and for my inks, I am using 2 from Tailored Expressions. Now let's go ahead and take a look at my first set of cards. I hope you enjoyed getting a look at my first set of cards using the June 2026 SheetLoad of Cards. If you did, as always, a thumbs up is appreciated. Now let me tell you how you can download the free printable. If you would like to make your own SheetLoad of cards using the latest free printable, as always, I do ask that you're subscribed to my channel before you click on the download link, which I'll tell you where that's at here in just a minute. Subscribing is free, quick, and easy. Just click on the button right below this video, and while you're down there, why don't you ring that bell for all notifications so you're the first to know about my latest videos. You are going to find the link to the June 2026 PDF for the next 2 years down in the description box right below my P.O. Box address. Below the link, it will say to watch the video for a password, but you watching this far is your password. You can download it to your device and print it like I have, or you can download it to your device and just use it on screen. Make sure if you are going to show us your sheet load that you use the hashtags on social media, and you can also check out the Show Us Your Sheet Load Guidelines video linked in the description box for other ways that you can share. Until tomorrow, when I will be back with my process video and my team will be joining me with their sets, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.